Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken joy. First, let's prepare the marinade. Combine 1 cup of buttermilk, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and a half teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix well. Place your chicken pieces into this mixture, ensuring they are completely covered. Refrigerate for at least 12 hours, allowing the flavors to deeply penetrate the meat. Next, we'll create that iconic crispy coating. In a large bowl, whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of salt. After marinating, remove the chicken and let excess liquid drip off. Thoroughly dredge each piece in the dry mixture, pressing firmly to ensure a thick, even coating. This step is key for maximum crunch. Now for the frying. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few breaded chicken pieces into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. Fry for approximately 12 to 15 minutes, turning occasionally, until golden brown and cooked through. Use a thermometer to confirm the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, let's complete the experience with the signature gravy. After frying, use some of the pan drippings to create a rich, savory gravy. Whisk in a tablespoon of flour, then gradually add 1 cup of chicken broth, simmering until thickened. Serve your perfectly fried, golden brown chicken hot, alongside steamed rice and a generous pour of that delicious gravy. Enjoy your authentic homemade chicken joy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.